Myth or fact? We can't do anything about hair loss.
Well, that's a myth. There's lots that we can do about hair loss. Hi, I'm Dr. Sakina Davis with Woodlands Wellness and Cosmetic Center, and I specialize in treating hair loss. So, for men and women, we have found hair loss to be such a very personal issue. I actually have experienced it myself and had alopecia when I was a resident. Well, it turns out that my alopecia was related to autoimmune Hashimoto's, but I didn't know that at the time. And so, with a lot of different types of treatments, I've been able to try and keep that as much in control as possible. So, stress plays a huge part. We know that post COVID plays a huge part. We know that postpartum plays a huge part. And so, many reasons why you can be losing hair, including things like iron deficiency, thyroid issues, etc. So, we go through and try to figure out exactly what the cause of the hair loss is first, and then put you on natural supplements. We use PRF, PRP therapy, and laser helmets to really help with hair loss. So come see us, and I'm sure we can get down to the bottom of what's causing that hair loss for you.